Hello to all present. For your attention, presentation on the Ukrainian-American research project on applied research in the field of alternative energy on the topic Bioenergy feedstock production on marginal lands using sewage sludge. I'm Yaroslava Mosичuk and I am a project manager from the Ukrainian team, specialist in plant blending and agronomy from several scientific institutions in Ukraine are working on the project in a team with American colleagues led by Dr. Islam. Energy independence is one of the national priority facing Ukraine. We hypothesize that domestically produced feedstocks from sweet sorghum by recycling label carbon and nutrient-rich biosolids sewage sludge on vast areas of degraded and marginal lands could be a win-win energy independence strategy in Ukraine. Our goal is to develop mutually productive and technically innovative research collaboration between institutes in the United States and Ukraine to create possibilities for generating a steady-state source of the feedstock and disseminate science-based knowledge and training. Field studies are carried out at the hospitals simultaneously in different regions of Ukraine, under contrasting soil and climatic conditions. Prepared for research were 30 plots with a total area of 3/10 of a hectare in the Kherson, Kiev, and Dnipropetrovsk region, and a total area of 1/10 of a hectare in Rivne region. The assessment of the sustainability of the territory for the cultivation of bioenergy groups, namely sweet sorghum, according to climatic conditions, showed that the amount of precipitation that falls per year in the plots of the Kherson and Dnipropetrovsk region is less than the recommended for growing agricultural crops. There are no restrictions on climatic conditions for the other two plots in Kiev and Rivne regions. Evaluation according to indicators of the marginality of land for the cultivation of bioenergy crops involved in the project was carried out based on the analysis of the following indicators: depth of the fertile layer, fertility rating, soil structure, acidity, and waterlogging. Thus, it was established that according to the specified indicators, the soils on the test sites fall under the category of marginal lands. Sweet sorghum of different selections was chosen as the research crop with its unique mechanism of moisture regulation, highly resistant to soil and air droughts, insects, diseases, salinity, and soil alkalinity. Field studies are carried out at hospitals simultaneously in different regions of Ukraine with a randomized blocked placement of 5 options in the experiment. Its control, fertilizer, 3 doses of biosolid introduction, 10, 20 and 40,000 liters per hectare in 2022-2024. The application of biosolids and fertilizer was carried out only once. on the start of experimental. Work on the plots began in the fall of 2021 with the organization of research sites and introduction project doses of biosolids. Four samples of biosolids from the local treatment facilities were taken and sent for analysis to an accredited laboratory, confirming the expediency of using biosolids as a potentially viable source of biochemical fertilizer for restoring the quality of the soil of low productivity lands. In 2022, sweet sorghum was sown in two locations in the Rivne and Kiev regions. In the Kherson and Dnipropetrovsk regions, sowing was not carried out due to the aggression of the Russian Federation and the impossibility of conducting field research. Next part of today's presentation is our result and discussion. Biometric measurements of the dynamics of the linear growth of sweet sorghum were carried out according to the experimental variants, and the dates of the onset of the main phases of its growth and development were noted in 2022-2024. The onset phases occurs earlier in the plots for growing the selection mammoth compared to the selection super in Rivne region. The highest rate of linear increase on the plot in the Rivne region was recorded in the mammoth variety with the introduction of biosolids at the rate of 40,000 liters per hectare. It's 320 centimeters. In the super variety, 224 centimeters in 2022. During the 2023 and 2024 research years, growth process slowed down. On the site in the Kiev region, the highest rate of linear growth of sweet sorghum was also recorded for the introduction of biosolids at the rate of 40,000 liters per hectare, 356 centimeters in 2024. At this experimental site, we are observing the opposite effect. Over time, growth processes have improved. Since the soil is potentially fertile on this plot, and the applied rates of biosolids and mineral fertilizers had different effect on growth process, plant habitation formation, and as a result, stem formation, their thickness and dry matter content. Every year in September, the harvest was carried out on the plots for analysis. The comparison is based on the analysis of 3 repetitions of each option. In the Kiev region, the highest sorghum productivity was recorded when biosolids were applied at a rate of 20,000 liters per hectare, an average of 40 tons per hectare over 3 years. The lowest, 25 tons per hectare on the control plot without fertilizers or biosolids. In the Rivne region, the mammoth variety gave 10–50% higher yields compared to the Zuber variety. In each case, the highest yield when applying biopreparation at a rate of 40,000 liters per hectare, an average of 76 tons per hectare, and the lowest on the control plot, 25 tons per hectare. The application of biosolids and fertilizers also had a significant impact on the accumulation of the sugar in sorghum stems. After reaching the solid grain phase, all plant and soil replicates were sent for analysis. The slides present the results of the analysis of sweet sorghum cane for bricks, sugar content, measurement of conservative sugar yield, and theoretical ethanol yield. The highest analysis rates in all plots were recorded in the second year of field experiments when applying biosolids at a rate of 40,000 liters per hectare and fertilizer. For our conclusion at this moment, biosolid application significantly enhanced sweet sorghum growth and biomass yield on marginal soils compared to both the control and fertilization treatments. The highest bricks, sugar content, and ethanol production potential were observed with biosolid application at a rate of 40,000 liters per hectare. Sweet sorghum varieties such as Mammoth, Zuber, and Energodar demonstrate strong performance across all experimental sites. Preliminary results suggest that biosolid amendment can improve the productivity of managed lands for energy feedstock production in Ukraine. Over time, nutrient depletion was observed following biosolid application as reflected in plant response data. This trend can inform the optimal frequency and dosage of solid application based on specific soil types. Research will continue. I am grateful to the project participants for their determination to conduct field research in such a difficult time. Thank you for your attention.